Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Do you dread those disruptive ads popping up on YouTube, ruining your viewing flow? Imagine watching your favorite videos, uninterrupted, without a single commercial break. It's totally possible to achieve a smooth, ad-free YouTube experience in 2025. We'll show you exactly how to reclaim your focus and enjoy content without those frustrating interruptions. Get ready to transform your viewing habits for good. The most straightforward and official way to ditch YouTube ads is by subscribing to YouTube Premium. This service completely removes all advertisements, whether you're watching on your phone, tablet, smart TV, or computer. Beyond just ad removal, Premium also unlocks background playback, lets you download videos for offline viewing, and includes YouTube Music. It's a comprehensive package for a truly uninterrupted experience. For desktop users, a fantastic free option is installing an ad blocker extension on your web browser. Tools like uBlock Origin are incredibly efficient, quietly removing most YouTube ads as you browse. Simply search your browser's extension store, install the ad blocker, and refresh YouTube. Just remember, these extensions usually only work on your computer's web browser, not on mobile YouTube apps. They are a simple, powerful solution for desktop viewing. Beyond official subscriptions and browser extensions, certain third-party apps and alternative front-ends can deliver an ad-free YouTube experience. On Android, apps like NewPipe or the now discontinued, but still referenced YouTube Vanced offered excellent ad blocking capabilities, often with enhanced privacy. These platforms generally fetch YouTube content without the ads, providing a smoother, more private viewing environment, particularly useful for mobile users seeking specific features. Now you have several powerful options to enjoy YouTube without annoying ads in 2025. Whether you prefer the comprehensive, official experience of YouTube Premium or the free, effective blocking from browser extensions, there's a solution for you. For mobile, exploring third-party apps could be your best bet. Pick the method that aligns best with your viewing habits and devices and start enjoying uninterrupted content today. It's your YouTube ad-free.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.